Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to join continuously with single crochets. You can join a full blanket with this method without breaking the yarn, and I think it's very miraculous thing. I couldn't say it, but you understand me, because while I'm making grannies, I hate to hide the tails, and while I'm making them, I usually show you how to hide the tails while I'm going. Okay, you can watch this tutorial too, and you can see how we will not have any tails in the end. And with this method, it will be a neat, clear work without hiding so many tails. Actually, there's only one tail. I couldn't find it, but yes. In the end, you will have only one tail. And for this, I use a 4.5 millimeter hook and a category 4 yarn, but not a thicker category 4 yarn. You can use any grannies, any category yarns. It's up to you. You see, I made a granny stitch for here. It could be double crochets too, a solid granny too, or it could be single crochet, and we are gonna join them with single crochets again. I made a video about this continuous joining method with a granny stitch and with double crochet stitch. I think it's maybe this double crochet one not a separate video. Maybe I use it while I'm making a blanket or a cardigan, I'm not sure. But with the same way, instead of making single crochets, you can use double crochets too. And hope you like this tutorial. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. You can find the link below somewhere here. And if you are ready, we can start now. Start from any corner. Insert into the corner, grab the yarn, join it. Now into this same place, I'm gonna put a single crochet. Without yarning over, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's the half of my first corner. I'm gonna complete it when I turn back here. Okay, just made 1. That's the first stitch. Don't miss this, it's so easy to skip the first stitch. And I'm hiding the tail too, I'm working around it. Put a single. Put 1 single crochet into each stitch till you reach this chain. You can make it around the chain here. You can insert into the chain if you can, and put a single crochet. One, 2, 3, and that's the chain. 4. Keep making till you reach to the corner. And for the corner, we are gonna put a single crochet, 2 chains, and 1 more single crochet, starting from this first stitch put one single crochet into each stitch and chains. Now just we made here, okay, here, you're gonna make here and here. Don't make this part. I'll meet you at the corner. I reach to the corner. I'm gonna put one single crochet here, then chain 2. Grab the second one. By the way, that's the right sides, as you can see. Insert from the corner, put a single crochet. Once you complete the single crochet, only trickiest part here, and it's not even tricky. So follow carefully, please. Just lose this loop. Insert from this first stitch you see. Grab the loop, pull it. Now into this first double crochet stitch, put a single crochet. Leave the loop, insert from the next stitch, grab the loop, pull it. Make a single crochet and join it. It will look like this. It's beautiful, really beautiful. Now keep making. I'll meet you at the corner. I'm at the corner. Okay, into this corner I'm gonna put a single, insert from this last stitch, then chain 2. Into the corner make one more single crochet, then keep going. Starting from here, you're gonna repeat the same thing for this first row, okay? If you wanna attach 5 squares, maybe, let me show you. I will make it 4 because you cannot see the 5th. Just go this way, join and join again for only this last one, last square. You are not gonna come here. You will join from here and make this side. Just stop here. Okay, now I'm gonna join 3. I'm gonna stop here and we will meet there. I reached to the corner again. Now we're gonna grab another square. First make a single crochet into the corner, chain 2 and keep joining. We are gonna join all the way till the corner. I'll meet you there. I reach to the corner. I'm gonna put a single crochet here and insert from the single crochet stitch, join, chain 1, insert into this chain space here, grab the loop, pull it, make a chain, okay, leave the loop, insert into this next chain space from this corner, grab the loop, make a chain. I'm going to show you one more time. I made this corner stitch and join, okay, chain 1, leave the loop, insert into this chain space, grab the loop, make a chain, leave the loop, insert into the next chain space, grab the loop, make a chain. Now we are going to attach the next. Keep attaching. Okay, I'll meet you. You're gonna make here with the same way. I'll meet you at the end. I'm at the end again. I'm gonna put a single crochet, then make 2 chains and make single crochets. Now I will turn around this square. I'll meet you when we reach here to this corner. At the corner, I'm gonna put a single crochet, then chain 1. Okay, make a single crochet, chain 1. Leave the loop. You see this joining point? There's a chain. Okay, that's the middle part. Insert from in the middle of this joining point, grab the loop, pull it, okay, then make 1 more chain, insert, put a single crochet, oops, I missed the first stitch. And starting from here, you are gonna make the same thing. Let me show you. You are gonna join here just like we did here. Okay, join here, here. When you reach to this second side, you will join the last 3. At first you are gonna join these parts only, then turn around them. Okay, I'll meet you here. I complete the joining. Okay, then I made this corner with the regular way. Go to the left. Okay, now I'm gonna make the corner. I'm gonna show you here. Actually, you can figure it out by yourself, but into the corner I made a single crochet, make a chain, just leave the loop. We have 2 chains here. Insert from this space, just grab the loop, pull it and make a chain. You can make 2 chains too for here. Okay, then make single crochets. and keep turning around. I'll meet you at the end. I'm at the end. Into the corner I'm gonna put a single crochet, then chain 2, insert from this first stitch, join with this slip stitch. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.